Hey, sweetie. Yeah? Are you talking to it? People of the world, I come in peace. I come with hiccups. Take me to your leader. Allow me to translate. Hiccups suck. Yes. I believe your message has been heard. Yes, we will take that out to the world. They will know not to mess with you. Yes. Yes, the hiccups are awful, I know. Sorry. This is purely for medical research. Well said. Yes, well said. What? What? Someone's stuck in the barn? The barn's on fire. What? Go and get help? Alright, say goodbye, Sarah. Say goodbye. Alright, that's close enough.